Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can actually change the order of your slides on Microsoft PowerPoint. So there's a few different ways that we can do this. The easiest way, or the way that I prefer to do it, is after you start building out your presentation, you should have your slides appearing here over off to the left of your screen. And a little trick too, you can actually change how big this appears as well. So if you want more real estate on your screen while you're editing your slides, and you want to just kind of make it a little bit smaller here off to the left where you have your slide previews, you just have to wait for the icon to change into the left and right arrow, hold left click, and you can drag and make it bigger or smaller. But mine's usually about, the standard default size. But once you decide if you want to go ahead and change the order of your slides, all you have to do is come over to the slide that you want to change. So whether it's the first slide, second slide, whatever, go ahead and highlight it, hold left click, and then you just have to drag it and then drop it. Let go of left click. And then you can see you're able to change the order. So that's one way that you can do it. Another way that you can do it is you can come over here to the bottom right and you can go ahead and select slide sorter. And once you select this, it actually gives you a little bit of an easier view where you can just drag and drop the order of your slides, and you can change it that way as well. So those are a few of the ways that you can actually change the order of your slides. And then if you wanted to, you could even come over to one of these slides and right click. And you can do things like cut and pasting. I don't know why you do that, but you can if you want to. You can delete slides from here. You can duplicate slides. So that's actually how you're able to change the order of your slides on PowerPoint.